now, so you've already learned about space, or how 3D space works, how objects sit in relation to the viewer. If things are up close, they're really big, and if things are far away, they look smaller. So today we're going to learn about a different type of space. This is called negative space and positive space. So positive space right now would be me. I'm the positive space. And my background, or everything behind me, would be negative space. Here's another example on your screen. So this is a picture of Mickey and a spooky tree in front of an orange background. So we could say that Mickey and the tree are actually negative space because of the absence of color, and our background is actually our positive space. Or we could reverse it. But notice that Mickey doesn't have any features. There's no eyes, there's no nose that you can make out. It's just his silhouette. Silhouette is also known as just a dark outline of an object. So let's look at another example of positive and negative space, or a silhouette. So this is for the movie Brave, which is one of my favorites. I love Merida. And Merida in this picture is actually our positive space. The negative space, with the silhouette we see here that's created by the negative space, is Merida's mother, the bear. So negative space can be used in a variety of ways. So we're going to take a look at the FedEx logo. A lot of logos use negative space in a very clever way to kind of push their product. So in the FedEx logo, notice that there is an arrow here in between the E and the X. It's because FedEx is always moving forward. It's always shipping things forward. So the arrow is there to subconsciously make you think this. We can also look at the Tostados? Not sure how to say it. Tostato symbol. And how there are two silhouettes of people, or they're holding the chip. Those are the two T's in the symbol. This is also another subconscious way that they can push you buying the chips. Like, there's two people enjoying their chips in their logo. Oh my gosh, it's Tostitos. I can't believe I got that wrong. It's okay, we're just gonna move on. So today you are gonna make a value background, so a gradient from your tint to your shade in the background. And then you are going to make a spooky silhouette in front. It can be any spooky silhouette that you want to make, but continue watching this video to look at an example.
So for this assignment, we'll be working in Sketches School, and I will be using the paint roller tool. I like to use this tool on the first or second square, and then I'm going to choose a purple color because I'm going to do like a purple dark night sky. I tap the screen and that'll fill in the entire page purple. And then I'm going to draw rectangles, and it's going to fill in the entire rectangle purple. I'm drawing a smaller rectangle inside of each one, and it's going to create this darker and darker shade of purple as we get down to the bottom. You don't have to do this the same way I'm doing this. You can create any pattern in the background that you want to. But I am showing that I could show my values just like we did with our fruit. Now I'm going to start to work on blending all the shades together by using the smudge tool. And I'm just going to smudge out where all the lines are to blend each color together. So now you can use any solid tool that you want to use as long as you're using black ink. I really like this paintbrush that I've selected because I like the texture of it on the screen. And you can make any scene you want to, but just make sure you're not showing any facial features. Like, for example, don't show eyes, don't show nose and mouth unless you're showing the outline of a nose. Remember, a silhouette is a dark outline of the overall figure. So all I've done so far is draw a ground, a tree off to the side, and added in a few little sprigs of grass. Just added a cat. Now I'm working on a bat. I'll add in a fence and an owl in just a second. But try not to copy the same scene I'm doing. You can use some of the silhouettes, like you could put a cat in yours, or you could put a bat in your scene. I just want to see how creative you can be. Maybe in yours you can put a haunted house or an old spooky castle. That's completely up to you. I started out by drawing a mouse here, but then decided to make it an owl instead. Last but not least, I'm gonna add a scary witch up in the sky riding her broomstick just for Halloween. When you are done, save your drawing and upload it to Seesaw. And if you've already clicked on your assignment in Seesaw, I have some spooky silhouettes in there for you too to help give you some inspiration.